Hey, it's Meat Thinker here. Today I'm making some grilled buffalo wings on my new Weber Kettle. I'll be using avocado oil to help the skin cook a little better, so make sure to oil them well on all sides. Next, I'll be using Whiskey Bent 100 proof rub to season the wings. Since these are going to be buffalo wings, I'm going to go a little easy on the seasoning to avoid over salting. Make sure to season them evenly on all sides as well. Now it's time to prep the kettle. Go ahead and take the chimney starter, fill it with the charcoal briquettes, light one lighter cube, and put the chimney starter on top of it to start the fire. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes for charcoals to be ready. Open the bottom vent all the way and let the lighter cube do its job. In about 15 minutes, as you can see here, the charcoal will be covered with white ash. That means your charcoal is ready for cooking. Go ahead and dump them on one side of the kettle and put the grates on and let the kettle heat up for another 10 minutes. Now it's time to add the wings. Place the wings on the grill away from the charcoal. Spread them out and make sure the wings do not touch each other. This is to make sure all sides are cooked evenly. Cover it up and let it cook for about 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, turn the wings over and let it cook for another 10 minutes. If you like the skin charred, place them over the coal for direct heat.
Push it.
The skin is bubbling and the color is brown. The wings are ready. Pull them off the grate and place them into a mixing bowl. I have Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce for my wings today. Shake the bottle well and pour them into the bowl and toss them until it's ready. Can you smell that grilled wings with charred skin with vinegary buffalo sauce? This is about as good as it will get and as simple as you can make them. Is your mouth watering yet? There you have it. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please also check out my Instagram handle at MidThinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking.